boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here. So you wish for songs and I bring them up here on Gordon Guitar on Wednesdays. And that's what's up now. And we have you, Lindsay Davis. You wished for a GORILLAZ song called Tomorrow Comes Today. So great choice. I enjoy doing sometimes older songs and sometimes newer. So I love the mix. So thank you for wishing this song Tomorrow Comes Today. So let's start this one up. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 chords to work with. So let's start with the chords. The first one will be the G sharp minor. So that's a bar here on the 4th fret across all strings, and then the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. And then we have the C sharp minor. It's in the same position here, still a bar here on the 4th fret. This time you won't need the E string, so you place a bar here on 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then finally we got the B or the B sus. It's up to you, but yeah, anyway, you need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. And then the rest, you're gonna play 4th on D, 4th on G, and that's it for me. If you wish to play the original B, you even include the 4th on the B string. But I skip that one and go for the B sus chord. It's enough for the song. So that's what you need actually. And it's much easier to play the sus than the full chord like this. But as I said, it's up to you. So there you have the chords: G sharp minor, C sharp minor, A, and B. All right. For this song here, we will work with one strumming pattern through an entire song. So let's look at that first. You can grab the G sharp minor if you want to follow. So one round of strumming will be a very common one. It's down, 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 up, like this. Okay, that's one round. So again, down, 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 up. And if you notice there, I'm playing the first 2 downs more on the bass strings, the darker strings, and then the down, down, up, I switch and play more on the higher top strings. Down, down, up. So that gives a little bit more variation into the sound there. So it sounds like this. And of course you include the mid strings on all the downs and ups here. So it's just a way of separate the downs and ups from each other to go a little bit more on the darker side sometimes and more on the lighter sometimes. So down, 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 up, that's one strumming round. So the chord progression here will be G sharp minor, 2 strumming rounds, and then you switch to the C sharp minor and play 2 strumming rounds. This short chord progression, if you call it that, it's the 2 chords alternating. You will play that for 6 rounds. Okay, so G sharp, C sharp times 6, and then you're gonna play A 4 strumming rounds, and then B 4 strumming rounds. That is pretty much it when it comes to this song. And in between these big chunks of verses, you can say the G sharp 2, C sharp 2 times 6 rounds, and then A4 and B4. Between these 2 verses, you have the G sharp minor 2 strumming rounds, C sharp minor 2 strumming rounds, but for only 4 rounds. That's the instrumental play between the verses. So anyway, let's go through one verse here. So G sharp minor 2, C sharp minor 2, that's gonna play for 6 rounds, and then A4, B4. Let's go. So there you have it. It's pretty much the song here. You have a couple of verses and you just listen to the instrumental part that goes in between G sharp, alternating with C sharp for 4 rounds. And that pretty much covers GORILLAZ Tomorrow Comes Today. Great song, great choice there, Lindsay. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed, especially you, Davis. This one was for you and all you GORILLAZ fans. So thank you for watching. Continue Wish here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, guys, play tuned.